Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making South Indian style rice. Mutton is so tender and juicy. Oil 1 cup, onion 250 grams, chop onion like this.
Take screenshot of whole spices.
Whole spices, chopped onion, saute for 3 minutes. Ginger garlic paste 5 tablespoon. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Mutton 1 kg. Salt as per taste. Red chilli 4 tablespoon. Mix everything. Meanwhile, cut tomatoes. Tomato 250 grams. Roughly chopped tomatoes. Chopped tomatoes. Mix everything. Cook for 2 minutes. Handful of coriander and mint. Curd 1 cup. Mix. Water 1/4 cup. Pressure cook for 4 whistles. Meanwhile, Seera Samba rice 750 grams. Soak the rice for 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Now coconut milk 1 cup. Water 1:1 ratio. Soaked rice. Mix, give a nice mix. Cook for 10 minutes on high heat without closing any lid. Now add lemon juice. Close the lid. Cook for low heat for 5 minutes. Now it's ready to serve. Dindigul style mutton biryani. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.